Hello everybody, my name is Kadma. I am the servant. Trop. That means I am a servant in Toratun land. I help to serve the words to tell you that the word that I am found is a servant of the next word. You see there are 8 servants in Toratun land, in the Toratun palace. Yes, these 8 servants, if you see us, we are telling you that the word that we are on top or underneath is connected, serving to the next word. Now I'm going to teach you a couple of tricks and introduce you to the staff of Toratun Palace. You see, trick number 1 is most of the trop are underneath, the servants are underneath letters. If it's underneath a letter, that means it is a servant. There are some exceptions. One of them is me, the Kadma, because I am the mirror image of the Azla, which I'm the servant of. So I need to be on top of the word. And then there is the Telisha Kitana, the little Telisha, who is also on top of the word because she is a little Telisha. And when she grows up, she's going to be a Telisha Gedola, which is also on top of the word. Let us introduce you briefly to these servants, and then I will tell you why you need them. The first one is the Munach. Munach. Hi, boys and girls. I am the Munach servant. Then comes the Kadma. That would be me. Kadma. Then comes Dizzy Darga. Darga. He's very dizzy because he's spinning back and forth. And then comes jumping Mapach, always jumping to help the master. Mapach. Like a little bounce over there. And then comes Telisha Kitana, whining like a little baby servant. Telisha Kitana. And then comes sliding Mercha, always sliding into the next word with the tray of food over there. Mercha. And then comes a very rare servant, the Arech Ben Yamo. He is running quick to serve his master, the Karne Para. Yarech Ben Yamo. And finally, our last of the 8 servants is a Mercha Kifula, a double Mercha, and he is sounding something like this. Mercha Kifula. You see, he got lost over there in the middle because he was running so fast to be a good servant. So, why do you ask, do you need the servants? Well, I will tell you one example. First example is the word Ohel Moed. When you see the word Ohel, Ohel means a tent. And then you see the word Moed, Moed means meeting. Do these words have a connection? Do you translate tent and meeting? Or do you say Ohel Moed, tent of meeting? Well, if you look in the Torah, in Vayikra Perek Yud Zayin, you will see that under the word Ohel, you have our dear friend, the Munach. And the Munach is a servant. So Ohel, Moed. So Ohel, tent, is connected to Moed, a tent of meeting. Let me show you another trick. How about the phrase La'ish Hahu? La'ish is to man, Hahu, that. If I'm translating, do I say La'ish, to man, Hahu, that? Or do I say La'ish Hahu, to that man? Well, obviously, La'ish Hahu makes more sense to that man. But how do I know? Well, because underneath the word La'ish, I have my dear old friend bouncing Mapach, the faithful servant. So it's La'ish Hahu, to that man. And briefly, all of the servants have many examples like this. So whenever you see one of the servant trop, and I'll give you two signs to remember which one are the servants. One is that they are mostly underneath the words, not all of them though. Kadma and Klisha Ktana are different. Another sign is that there are two words, Mikedem, Tamim. Mikedem means from before, and Tamim. And they stand for each of their names. We have Munach, Kadma, Darga, Mapach, and Klisha Ktana, Mercha, Yarech Ben Yamo, and Mercha Kifula. That might be too hard to remember, but for the experts, that will help you. So again, if it's under the word, or if it's Mikedem Tamim, these are the servants and they connect one word to the other. Thank you for watching The Servants of Torah Land.